Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the Folkmanis Turtleneck turtle. So currently mine is sleeping. Do not worry, he's alright. He's just sleeping. I'm here. Hello. Sometimes I'm a little shy, but I'm here. Yes, this is a very, very good character. Let's take a look. So, first, the kind of skin texture. Even though you expect it to be more kind of scaly for a turtle, it's still relatively soft. We have some soft skin here, some soft paws here. His head is very soft. His neck, this whole part's kind of funny. And if you don't put all your fingers in there, up his head and his neck, that you can make him bob up and down like this. So, obviously he's called Turtleneck Turtle because he wears a turtleneck sweater. He has padded feet. Yes, he even has a little padded tail here. His shell was shedding that vinyl or, that vinyl-like material that was on here. It was a dark green, but when I received him, because I bought him used, like most of my puppets, I buy them used, and everything was falling off, so I just went and I tried to clean and remove as much of it as possible so there wasn't too much left. And actually he doesn't look that bad with the orange yellowish type shell, really. Yeah, it doesn't affect my value. So yeah, so here are his features. You can control obviously his head, his neck, his hands, his front hands. If you really want him to, you can kind of get him to duck it back into his shell, kind of like so. Oh no. And there he is hidden inside his shell. Like that. Looks a little freaky at first, but it's not a bad feature. He has his head. It is right there. Yes. The shell also, by the way, the shell is very soft. The inside is very soft here. To control him, there is a lot of space, a lot of room to... And the turtleneck, it looks really authentic, like a real one, so it's really cool. Let's get him back up here, not to freak you out. Oh, he came back with fluff. He has red inside his mouth, no teeth, of course, because he's a turtle. But he's got those really big eyes that are like, you can't deny these eyes. Yeah. But anyway, it is the Folkmanis Turtleneck Turtle, my friends. Definitely worth getting this one. If you want a good, rich character, this turtle is definitely one of them. So, thank you all so much for watching, and hope to see you next time.